Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have openings for all the graduates in this video. So every graduates who are watching this video, you have the opening here. So watch the video till the very end and know about everything and apply it at the same and crack your online assessment and thereby get into your career. Okay, so here Accenture is hiring from all the graduates from all the streams. So you can see there are two independent links for them. So that links will be there in the description and I'll be explaining the complete eligibility criteria and description. So they are hiring for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc, all streams 2020 and 2021 pass out. Similarly, all streams and branches of BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA 2020 and 2021 graduates is also hiring. Okay, so like we used to get so much comments like what about 2022? Sure, 2022 students, you are still having a lot of time to go as well. And if the companies are coming up with any of the hiring opportunities, then definitely we'll bring that as well. And if you just cross-check few of our previous video, you can see a lot of hirings related to 2022. So if you are particularly looking for some of the companies, then as soon as they come up, we'll bring that as well. So currently this opening is an immediate joining. So that's why the passed out batches are being concentrated. Okay, so everyone please stay tuned to our channel so that you will, once the opportunities are, we'll bring it up for all the 2022 pass outs as well. Okay, so now let's see the eligibility criteria application process in detail. So all the links to apply will be independently there in the description. According to your graduation type, you can pick up the link and start with the application process. Okay, so first let me introduce to the BA BCom students. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well so that you get all the notifications at the right time. Okay, so while you notify things, you just put it in all so that all the videos when we upload, any of the videos when we upload, you will be getting the notification. So we do provide the timely videos regarding the updates from companies and if online assessment, the sessions, okay, the experience from that, the questions, answers, and the preparation strategy, everything. We have an application to provide you immense courses that will help you to crack through as well. So if you wish to get the guidance and if you want to get the stuffs related to your placements, then obviously we can help you with any of the things. And if you wish to get all these particular things and if you wish to communicate with us, you can even use our mail ID or you can call to this number provided and you can let us know what is your requirements. We'll definitely bring up with that. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the registration process. So here you can see this is System and Application Services Associative. So view job description. You can see here job description. You can just go through that and you can know about the things. Okay. So application cloud engineering, project control services, low no code application development, then test automation engineering is the job that you'll be doing. Okay, so you can just read out all these things and you can know about what are things that you'll be handling out there once you are up to apply. So here what we need, that is the eligibility criteria. Okay, that is all streams or branches of BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA 2020 and 2021 graduates is applicable here. No active backlogs during the application or during onboarding. Okay, now, maximum 1 year gap in education, that is after 10th till the completion of graduation. Okay, this is applicable. Maximum 1 year of gap. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment or assessment or interview process in last 3 months. So this is for you guys, like in last 3 months, if you haven't applied to Accenture, then you can make sure you go it here. Okay, that is, they have mentioned should not appear for the Accenture recruitment assessment. Okay, so you must not be appeared to the assessment or interview process. If so, you can apply it here. Okay. Ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, then versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, then good analytical and problem solving skills and proficient verbal and communication skill, then must be able to work in India either, Indian citizenship. Then please note Bhutan and Nepal nations can work in India with a need for obtaining a work visa. Okay, so that is about the eligibility criteria. Okay, so I think you got to know all the things. Now coming to the job details. So from where you got this information, you can provide it accordingly, like social media advertisement, if you got to know through this online study for you. Then the personal information, you can give the university just number, email ID, contact number, WhatsApp consent, so that if there is any updations, they will contact you through WhatsApp. Then alternative mobile number if there, and DOB, gender. Okay, so these star fields are mandatory fields, so you should give that. And educational details, highest education, professional details, skill details. Then okay, skill details is not mandatory. And certification details, language certification, preferred job location, other details. Then attachments, resume, or CV. So maximum 1 MB size is what they're expected. So make sure your document is of that size and it is in this format. Okay, and passport size photo must not be more than 2 months, and please to upload it here, the 3 MB. So once you log into this website, once you log into this link itself, you will get a notification or a page wherein you need to provide, they will be giving the right photo that you have to upload. Okay, so it will be plain background, all the features must be visible, like your eyes, nose, lips, everything must be visible. So go for the passport size photo with a plain white background, that will be fine. Okay, so once you go with everything, government photo, ID card, if you have any disability, you can give that. Then after declaration and consent, then finally we do submit. So once you submit, the Accenture team will contact through mail. So they'll send the assessment details and assessment link. After once you get through the assessment, you'll be having the interview. Okay, so this is about the registration for these graduates. Okay, they have provided here, this is the graduates of all branches, all streams of BSc, BCA, BA, BCom, and BBA 2020 and 2021 graduates. Okay, now next we have the Accenture hiring for BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, all streams 2020 and 2021 pass out. Okay, so coming to the other eligibility criteria. No active backlogs both during application and at the time of onboarding. Maximum 1 year gap in education, that is post completion of 10th standard. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment or interview process in last 3 months. Okay, so this is a mandatory criteria. Candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or relevant work permit. Okay, Bhutan, Nepal nations can work in India without a need for obtaining a work visa. So yes, this is about the eligibility criteria. So now coming to the application process, it's a pretty same. And here this opening is for direct hiring for the associate software engineer. So if you wish to know about how you will be performing there as an associate software engineer, we can go through the job description. Okay, so here you can see what you'll be doing. Okay, design, build, test, and assemble, support, and configure application using business requirements, understand business drivers, then bake technology trends into solutions, responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customer through voice, interaction, email, chat, remote support, or whatever. Okay, and what would love you to have? Ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile, good analytical problem solving, deliver code, take ownership of successful implementation, support infrastructure operations, then flexibility to relocate for the project deployment. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the work that it will be handling. So if you're fine with all these things, definitely you can proceed with application. So application form is pretty same. There is no much difference in any of the things. Education details, your personal, your professional skills, certification details, preferred job locations, then you can provide the resume or CV, then your photo, government photo ID card, then PWD details, declaration, after finally submit. Okay, so take your own time filling the application. So don't give any of the application, any of the details in application which is mismatched. So once you're getting through, like when it's time for the interview process, when you get in through online assessment, these informations will be cross-checked. So if any of the mistakes is there, then that will like definitely impact. Okay, so make sure you take enough time and you carefully apply or carefully fill the application form. Okay, so guys, everybody who wish to get into this job, take the link from the description and apply it according to the graduation that you are holding. So that's about the openings available today. So these links was active for a couple of times. time and we have provided it multiple times, but still if there are someone who missed out this, you can let you know. This is to let you know. Okay, so if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.